welcome to my kitchen. I'm Julia. Today it is taco dip time. It is going to be a layered dip in some individual glasses, so each guest or family member or friends can just have a glass each and then just share a huge bowl of tortilla chips. It is so easy, delicious, so let's get started. On a pan I'm going to add on some oil and fry some minced beef together with some taco seasoning. I'm making a huge portion of beef, so you can easily cut it in half and you'll still have enough meat for 6 to 10 individual glasses or portions. But just fry it until it's done. When it is done, take it off the heat to cool down. I'm ready to assemble these glasses. I have 4 glasses and I'm going to add in some of my beef. Then some salsa. Chopped lettuce, chopped red onion, lots of sour cream, and last but not least, almost some cheddar cheese I have just shredded finely. These are ready to be served with a big bowl of chips. Let's dig in. That is so good. Heavy dance. Give this dip a go. Ingredients are down below. As always, don't forget to subscribe here, and yeah, I'll see you guys again soon. Bye!